Hello. Our users often create dialogues to teach their students to explain complex topics. For example, this dialogue was created for beginners who study English as a second language. And the user who did it, he used Claude and entered a prompt something like this. Generate a list of sentences in the following format. Present continuous sentence describing an activity. Example, I am walking to school. And on the next line, only the main verb used in sentence. Example, walking. Create 3 pairs like this using a variety of everyday activities. Example, I'm walking to school, walking. I'm reading a novel, reading, and so on. So that's how he did it. That was the process. But after that, he created a table, uploaded a table to Kukarella to generate this dialogue. Other users use ChatGPT and get similar results. Let's compare results. Yeah, ChatGPT actually made a better dialogue because now it's split into lines. Well, Claude created just as a single line. Anyway, but then I asked that user why he had to include extra step in this process. Why to go to Claude or ChatGPT to create this dialogue if you can do all that inside Kukarella? How? I showed him and I want to show you. So let's say that we enter the same prompt. Generate a list of sentences in the following format. We just need to specify generate a dialogue with, and we keep everything the same. And as you probably already know, you can create an image to support that. I usually like to do that because it gives me more options. Okay, you see, we got these sentences and it's following our structure. I'm typing on my computer keyboard, typing. I'm drinking coffee while we talk, drinking, and so on. Also, image was generated, but I'm not quite happy with this one, but you can always create new image and specify what you want to see. That is good for visual learners. They can not only listen to dialogue, they can see an image. So as you see, our AI analyzed the text and came up with some ideas for image generation. By the way, if you want video clips, it created prompts for video generation. You can choose any prompt and create a short 5-second video clip if you need that. Anyway, this is how you can quickly create dialogue on any topic using reference documents or just from scratch, right inside Kukarella. You don't need going back and forth between different instruments, different apps. Kukarella AI is powered by Claude and in some cases by ChatGPT. So you get best of all worlds in one place. And as you see, it saves you lots of time. Just enter your prompt, tell what you want to create, what topic it should cover. If you hesitate, if you need some inspiration, just click on suggestions, and as you see, there are a few categories. If it's for educators, click for educators and you will see a few suggestions. For example, create a dialogue where scientists help a curious student understand scientific principle or phenomenon. Let's create a dialogue where scientist explains Schrödinger cat. Okay, that should be fine. And again, let's create an image. Schrödinger cat is quite cool concept, and it's always interesting to see how it can be explained. So let's see what this AI comes up with. Yeah, you can read this dialogue, and if you think that something is missing, you can always edit it. But usually this AI does quite a good job, especially since we added some system message to add some drama and hooks into dialogues and voiceovers which you generate with our AI. So if you ask the same prompt into Claude or ChatGPT, I bet that Kukarella's one will be more engaging, more interesting. You can just try. You can give it a try. So, and this is an image created for Schrödinger cat, quantum learning exchange. Okay, there is no cat, but usually there is no cat in a box as well. No cat, but you don't know if the cat is alive or not. Okay, so I hope this video helps you to create dialogues, explainers for your audience, for your students, faster and easier. And now you know how you can use best AI models inside Kukarella. So you don't need to go back and forth between different tools. You have access to all powerful AI instruments inside Kukarella. You can access them from the home page, from this page. If you want to create dialogue, click on this tab, create voiceover on this tab. Or if you go to Dialogues AI application, to the main page, you see there is Use Assistant button, which works pretty much the same way as that AI assistant on the home page. You will see the same assistant on text-to-voice app. Hope this helps. Please let us know if you have any questions, if you want us to add some functionality to Kukarella. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel, because we constantly add new features and you will know what we're up to, what we're doing, what we're working on. And you will know about all our releases. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.